Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I'm here with another lectures questions. Now our first question is express the following angles in radians. In previous lecture I have seen that how to convert radian in angles. Now in this lecture we are going to see how to convert angles to radian. See, you have given first question 120 degrees, that will be equal to 120 into pi by 180 radian. That will be the converting factor here. See, for angles to radian we have to multiply by pi by 180, and if from radian to angle we have to multiply by 180 by pi. Now 120 into pi by 180, that will be equal to 2 pi by 3 radian. Do not forget to give this sign of radian. Now our next sum is 225 degrees, that will be equal to 225 into pi by 180 radian. So that will be equal to 5 pi by 4 radian. Now our next sum is 945 degrees, that will be equal to 945 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to 21 pi by 4 radian. Now our next sum is negative of 600 degrees. Whatever may be the question, see, you have for conversion in angle into radian, you have to just multiply it by the converting factor only, and take this sign same as in the given question. So you will get negative of 10 pi by 3 radian. Now our next sum is negative of 1 by 5 degree, that is equal to negative of 1/5 into pi by 180 radian, that will be equal to negative of pi by 900 radian, that is 180 into 5. Now our next sum is negative of 108 degrees, that will be equal to negative of 108 into pi by 180 radian, that will be equal to negative of 3 pi by 5 radian. Now our next sum is negative of 144 degrees, that will be equal to negative of 144 into pi by 180 radian, that will be equal to negative of 4 by 4 pi divided by 5 radian. Now our next question is express the angles in degree, minutes and second form. See, we have the first question 321.9 degrees. See, we have to split this first. 321 degrees plus 0.9 degrees. We have to convert this 0.9 degrees into minutes as it is in point. So 321 degrees plus 0.9 into 60, as we have converting in degrees from degrees to minutes, we have to change the sign from degree to minutes, and we have to multiply this degree by 60. So we'll get our final, that is 321 degrees plus 54 minutes, that can be written as 321 degrees 54 minutes. Now our next sum, similar sum, is 200.6 degrees, that can be written as similarly 200 degrees plus 0.6 degrees. This degree is to convert, we have to convert this degree of 0.6 into 60 minutes. So we'll have 200 degrees plus 0.6 into 60, that is 36 minutes. So we finally get 200 degrees 36 minutes. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. Thank you.